Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start. A very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let's do a revision on worksheet 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we'll start with worksheet 4. Okay, worksheet 4 is on articles. What are articles? Come on, tell me.
A,
Yes, A, and the. Yes, very good. A and the are called articles. Very good, fine. Okay, I'm going to mute you all. All of you mute your audios. Okay, now I'm going to ask a question. When do we use article a? Afia. When do we use article a? Yes, when do we use it? Before the words that begin with?
consonant.
Consonants. Very good, Afia. Very good. So when a word begins with a consonant letter or a consonant sound, we have to use article a before the word. Very good. When do we use article an, Daksha Lakshmi?
We use
Mm.
article and
Mm.
before we start a word with a vowel letter.
Yes, very good. When a word begins with a vowel letter or the word has a vowel sound, we have to use article and before the word. Very good, Daksha. Very good. Okay, well done. Now let's move on to the article the. When do we use article the? Malavika, come on, tell me.
The is used when we speak about a particular person,
Mm.
place,
Mm.
or animal or thing.
Very good. Other than that, who can give me some other points other than that? Zara. Zara. Can you unmute it? Yes, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, Zara. Come on, tell me. Other than that,
We will use for the woman.
the when we're talking about a particular person, okay, we use the article the. Other than that, the is used. The is used. Come on, children, all of you, please.
Is
Ah,
things. Things.
mm. When we're talking about the same thing for the second time, which article do we use? The. Is that clear to all of you? When we're talking of the same thing for the second time, okay? When we're talking about the same thing for the second time, we use the article the, okay? Then when we are talking about a person or a thing, one of its kind. One of its kind means what? The president. How many presidents are there in India? Only one. Okay. How many prime ministers are there in India? Only one. Okay. In a school, how many principal are there? Only one. How many chairmen are there? Only one. Okay, so when we're talking about a person or a thing, one of its kind. So which article we have to use before it? We have to use article the before it. Is that clear to all of you, my dear children? Okay, clear to all of you? Similarly, when we are talking about the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, okay, only there is only one. Okay, the sun, the moon. Okay, even when we're talking about the stars, even it is many there, we also use the stars. That we will learn later. Okay, that's why I've concentrated only on singular. That is the moon, the sun, the stars. Okay, so when we're talking about one of its kind, then we use article the. Is that clear to all of you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Article, the concept is very clear to all of you, my dear children.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now that is all about articles. Now let's move on to the punctuation. Okay, in punctuation, what do we have to keep in mind while writing a sentence? Come on, tell me, Ryan Ramesh. Yes.
While writing a... Excuse me, ma'am. I go to toilet.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, I don't
While writing a sentence, Ryan, come on, tell me. While writing a sentence, what are the 2 points we have to keep?
Writing a sentence, first we have to write capital letter.
Very good.
And we have to write a full stop.
Full stop, very good. When we write a sentence, always begin a sentence with a capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Okay. When you find the names of people and names of places, what do you do? Special names of people and special names of people. Capital letter. Okay. So whenever we use, that is your name. Okay, Smriti, Ishan Krishna, or your name, my name, as well as the names of places like Mala, Thrissur, Kerala, Mumbai, Kolkata, all these special names of places and special names of people as well as things. What we have to do, we have to write it, we have to begin with the capital letter.
Capital letter.
Okay, so these are the 3 concepts we have to keep it in our mind while learning about the worksheet 3. That is all about worksheet 3. Okay, begin with a capital letter, end the sentence with a full stop, and the names of people, names of places, special names. Okay, special names of people, special names of places, animals and things. Animals means not dog, cat, buffalo, not like that. They're special names. We have pet animals, don't we name them? Like Fluffy, Blackie. Similarly, like things. If it is a newspaper, it has a name. The Malayalam Manorama, the Tribune, the Indian Express, those names, and even the names of book, the Cinderella or the Oliver Twist, the name of the book, that is to be written in capital letter. Is that clear to all of you, my dear children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is that clear to all of you? So we have revised with worksheet 3. Now let's move on to worksheet 2. As I've already told you, we are revising worksheet 2 word. Word is very important. Has worksheet 2. In worksheet 2, the exercise B is very important. And I've also told you, I've sent a note in the WhatsApp for you to write and study those words. 12 words I've sent for you. So those words you have to be thorough with. Thorough with means by hearted. Is that clear to all of you? As when you look at the words, you should be able to write it. And all the other exercises, be very familiar with the words. And even in worksheet 1, vowels and consonants, children, you have to insert a vowel. Okay. Whereas only the B exercise is a little bit complicated. Whereas exercise C, exercise D is very, very easy. Okay, a word will be given to you and you will be asked whether the word begins with a vowel or a consonant. That is easy. And identify the vowel letter in it. That is also easy. And an exercise, that is worksheet 1. Exercise B is very, very important. And in worksheet 2, exercise B is also very important. Both the B exercises are very, very important. So when you revise it for the examination, please do revise both the exercises very well. Is that clear to all of you, my dear children? Yes?
Yes.
Have you all revised it? Okay.
Yes.
I'll also be sending a note in the WhatsApp for you to write and study those words. Okay. We have finished with exercise B. Now we have to do with the other exercises. Okay. Now let's do are you all ready for a revision test paper?
Yes.
Yes. Are all of you ready?
Yes.
Yes. No, it is 2E. Okay. So we have revised with all these. We know what is the sentences, when to use capital letters and full stop. We have already learned. And names of people and names of places, we have to begin with a capital letter. We have, and I've also sent the answer keys for you, my dear children. Please do check on to it. Okay. Yes. Now here comes the revision test paper for you. Are you all ready? All of you, please do take a rough book. Revision test paper. You have to take your rough book. take a pencil, take a rough book, and we'll start writing. You have to write the answers. Now we have revised it. We know what it is. Now we are going to write it. Let's write and study.
Only the answer.
Only the answers. Yes. Please do write it in your rough book. And at the end of the session, we will check how much mark have we got it. Okay.
Computer.
Yes, come on. Yes, right. Only write the answer.
Which book?
Rough book.
Please read the question.
Yes, I'll do it. Okay, you should be familiar with it, my dear children. See here. Fill in the blanks with a and or the. The first question is, the computer is dash useful machine. I'm going to mute you all. Okay, can I mute you all? Yes. Now we are going to read the question and you are going to write the answer. How is that you're going to write the answer in the answer paper? If this is your answer paper, what you have to do? Write 1, write the answer. Write 2 and write the answer. Okay, write 1, write the answer. Write 2, write the answer, and write 3 and so on. Okay? Come on, write it. The first question is, the computer is dash useful machine. Come on, write the answer for the first one. Write only the answer. If you can't see the board, I'll zoom it for you. Please do. I'll unmute it, but see that your audios are muted.
And question will write.
No, write only the answer. Unless it is, children, this is a practice for you, my children. Please don't ask such questions. By means, I've already told you, write only the answer. Okay, only when it is rewrite, what we have to do, we have to write the full sentence. Okay, otherwise, write only the answers. It is easier. I wanted to see only the answer. But here it is rewrite means we have to write the full sentence. Okay, come on, write.
Want to question read.
Second question is, Zia left her house dash hour ago. Come on, write it. Write only the answer, my dear children. Let me see.
The first answer.
First question is, answer I'm not going to discuss. At the end of the session, I'll discuss the answers with you. The computer is dash useful machine.
Ma'am, the third one. Question.
Yes?
Second one. See the third question.
Ah, yes, third question, I'll read it for you. Shalini has shifted to dash new house. Dash school, new school. Dash school is very far from her house. So what you'll write there, write it.
Can you read the second question?
Children, I will read the question for you only once. Okay, I wanted all of you to read the question by yourself and try to answer it. Please do read the question by yourself and try to answer it. I don't want you to read each and everything for you. Please do it. Yes? Yes, come on, read the question and try to answer it by yourself. Only if it's required, I'll read the question for you. Now you're familiar with these chapters. You should be knowing it. Read the question. Try to read the question and try to answer it. Yes, write the questions, all of you, my dear children. Write only the answers. Please don't write the questions.
Ma'am, the next question is rewrite.
Rewrite. When it is rewrite, my dear children, you have to rewrite the full sentence. Okay. Rewrite the following sentences. Yes, my dear.
Able Saju completed.
Okay. Rewrite the following sentence.
All completed.
Okay, okay. If you have completed, it's okay, my dear children. Now, please do listen.
And fourth question.
Now, listen. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stop where necessary. Okay. So, you have to rewrite the full sentence. Okay, my dear children. But read the question paper is not yet over. We have one more page even. Okay. So, if you're finished with this page, I'll move on to the next page. Come on. If you're finished, come on, tell me if you're finished.
Ma'am, I completed.
Don't complete it.
Okay, please. That's why I'm muting you all. I know it. If you have completed, just give me a thumbs up. That's enough.
Ma'am, fourth question.
Fourth question, try to read the question. What is written there? I wrote that story. Come on, read the question. Try to read it. If you're finished, let's move on to the next page.
Yeah.
Please make it very quick, children. Let's move on to the next page.
Ma'am, I'm completed.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
don't complete it.
okay.
The boys are disturbing.
Boys are disturbing. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, if you have finished, children, let's move on to the next question. These are the questions.
No, ma'am.
No, who's still writing? The first part, first page.
I'm writing the second question.
Which question? Second question.
The first question.
Which one, my dear? I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, only write the answers. Only for the question number 2, that is Roman number 2, that is 1 and 2, you have to rewrite the full sentence. Other than the articles, you write only the answers. I've told you how to do it. This is the way you're going to do it for your examination also.
Can you take the next page?
Yes, I'm going to take it. Okay, that is how you're going to answer. Children, this is a model for you. Okay, so that for the examination, you will be finding it very easy to answer the paper. So that's why I'm giving you the instructions now. Okay, whereas in the fill in the blanks, my dear children, just write only the answer. Rewrite, you have to write the full question. Now let's move on to the next.
Ma'am, I
Here.
want to write only the last question.
Which one? Page 1?
Rewrite this.
Yes, come on, write it fast.
Ma'am, can you Ma'am, can you show the first page? I don't
First
finish.
page, yes, I've shown. It's the first page. You can't see the board?
Ma'am, now I can see.
Yes, do it. Do it fast so that we can move on to the next page. Last 10 minutes, we have to discuss the answers also.
Ma'am, what is the fifth one?
Which fifth one? Where is the fifth one here? No fifth one here.
Ma'am, I say the fourth finish.
Fourth finished. Now here the second question is rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stop. You're in that question?
Yes.
Yes. The first question is New Delhi is the capital of India. You have to rewrite the whole sentence using capital letters and full stop. Please make it very quick. Yes.
I completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, okay.
Now I have completed.
Okay. Now the next question is, my parents are from Kolkata. So have you all completed it? Now can I move on to the next page? It's already it's time up, my dear children. Yes, come on, do it.
Kolkata, I did not write Kolkata.
Yes, do this, my dear children.
Ma'am, please share the first page. I don't
First
have
page is already it's time up, my dear children. Please do it very quickly.
wants to write Kolkata.
Yes, Kolkata, write it. My parents are from Kolkata. Write it.
Kolk. K. Ma'am, can you show the second page?
Yes, I'm going to show you the second page. It's already it's time up, my dear children. Now, please do write the second page. Even if you have not finished the first page, come on, carry on with the second page. It's already it's time up. Only 10 more minutes. Krishna Raj. Krishna.
What we have to do in the second page?
You write only the answers, my dear.
Ma'am, can you read the first one?
Yes, I'll read it for you. Yes, I'll read it for you.
A-E-I-O.
Yes, yes, yes.
That
Yes, I'll read it for you. Don't worry. Now, here, R-V-I-R-E. Now, what you have to do? You have to, these are the jumbled words. Okay. We have to write the correct spelling of these, rearrange these jumbled letters so as to make meaningful words. Come on, do it.
Can you zoom it?
Yes, I've zoomed it. Come on. Can you see it? R-V-I-R-E. Come on, do it. T-O-R-C-O-D. Come on, do the second question. As I read it, you do it. T-A-L. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, T-A-L. P-H-O-S-I. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you read the after kitchen?
Kitchen, it is insert appropriate vowels to complete the following words. Okay, that is M-U-S-E. This is dash N-I-O-N. Okay, please do it. These are T-A-L-P-H-O-S-I. This is A-G-E-V-L-L-I. This is K-H-I-T-C-N-E.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you read the second one?
P-O-R-C-O-D. Is that you wanted? Is that the question?
In one.
In one. Yes, here. One is R-V-I-R-E. Look at the question carefully and write the answers. All these words we are familiar with. Okay, the exercise B, we have written it three times. Then why is that you're not familiar with those words? Come on, write the answers.
I say the second one.
Which second one, my dear? This one?
Ma'am,
Dash N-I-O-N. Is that the word you're asking for?
T-R-O.
T-O-R-C-O-D. Now, these are the letters are given in jumbled. You have to rearrange them so as to make a meaningful word. Okay, do it.
ma'am,
Mm.
we have to write the first question only the answer.
Yes, only the answer. That is understood. I told you, no? You have to write only the answers. Haven't I told you? Write only the answers. A-G-E-V-L-L-I. A-G-E-V-L-L-I. C-H-I-T-C-N-E.
And I completed the second page also.
Okay. Now insert the appropriate children. Yes.
I'm offering completed.
Okay. So Vaiga is absent. Sivanidya is absent. Sahasra is absent. Nainiga is absent. Fia is absent. Diya CS is absent. Daksha Deepak is absent. Ashil K. Saji is absent. Anthony Shan, Anmia Faustina, Andrea Anish, and Anna Primson. All these are the absentees in today's session. I could not find them. If you are present, please do inform me. Okay. So if you have finished, let's move on for a. Have all of you finished? Now it's time for us to assess our work.
Yes.
Okay. Even if you have not finished, it's okay. We are going to assess. Okay. You're going to assess your work. I'll be sending the same question paper in your group so that you can do it once more and have a practice with the same question paper. Okay, now here it is. A computer is dash useful machine. So which article you have to use before the word useful? Oh, very good. It is a. If your answer is right, put a tick mark. Gia left her house dash hour ago. Yes. Shalini has shifted to dash new school. So, a new school. And we are talking about the same school. When we are talking about the same school for the second time, that is, dash school is very far from our house. The very good. Very good, very good. Okay. I wrote that story. Oh, very good. And yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If your answer is right, put 5 marks. Okay, give a tick mark for it and give 5 marks. Have all of you got 5 marks? Yes? Yes. Now let's move on to the second question. Here the second question tells us that rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stop where necessary. Okay, so New Delhi is a capital of India. So New Delhi is a name of a place. So what we have to do? Yes, N should be written in capital letter and D also to be written in capital letter because it is a name of a place. Okay, is the
capital of India.
Capital of
Should be written of India.
very good, very good. India is our country, so it should be written in capital letter. Very good. And don't forget to put the
We want to put the
full stop. Very good. And if your answer is right, put a tick mark, all of you. This is the way you do your answers in your answer script. Now, have all of you got an idea how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, let's write the second question. My parents are from Kolkata. So, how are we going to write this? Written in capital letter. Very good. My parents are from
capital letter.
very good. Okay, Kolkata is the name of a place. And we end the sentence with a
We want to put the
full
full
stop. Answer is right. If your answer is right, put a tick mark, all of you. And give 2 marks for yourself. So this is the way your question paper, you're going to answer it for your answer for your examination. Okay, the question paper will be sent to you and you have to write the answer in a paper and convert it into PDF format and you have to send it to the mail ID which has been given to you. Okay. Yes, that is your parents may be knowing it. Okay. Now, let's move on to this question. Here the question says that we have to rearrange these jumble letters so as to make a meaningful word. What is this word is? River. What's the spelling of river? Very good. River. R-I-V-E-R. Now let's move on to the next word. T-O-R-C-O-D. Doctor. What's the spelling of doctor? Very good. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Now let's move on to the next word. What is it? Yes. Horse. H-O-S. Horse. Very good. Very good. Now let's move on to the next word. What is it? Village. What's the spelling? Very good. And what is the next word is? Kitchen. Yes. What's the spelling of kitchen? Yes. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. And if your answers are right, put a tick mark and give 5 marks. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the last exercise. That is, you have to insert appropriate vowels to complete the following words. Here is a word for you. M-U-S. It is O. Okay, now what is this word is dash, N, or you can either write onion, that is right, or you can write union. Whichever it is, your answer is right. Onion or union. Okay, have you written? Yes. If your answer is right, give 2 marks for yourself. Or you can write you also. Both are right. Union or onion. Whatever it is, you can write. And it is out of 14 marks. If your answer is right, put a star.
14 out of 14.
Yes, 14 out of 14 and give yourself a big star. Can you see the star? Yes, give 2 stars for yourself.
You got 14 out of 14.
Yes, now it's time. Come on, show me a book.
14 out of 14.
Show me a book. Those who have got 14 out of 14. Yes, very good. Krishna Raj, Malavika, Abel. Abel, come on, show me a book, Abel. Devadash, Samanbia.
It's 11 out of 40.
Yes. Smriti Adnair. Yes. Rose and Francis. Anmia Reigal. Anmia Reigal is present. Okay. Then who else? Dia.
Get 14 out of 14.
Okay. Yes, most of you have got. So this is a model of the question paper, my dear children. Follow the same paper pattern while you're revising for your examination. Okay, and write only the answer as per the instructions. Okay, and when you write, don't forget to write your name, class, and division in bold. Bold in the sense you have to write it very neatly and clearly. Okay, so it's time for us to wind up today's session. I hope you got a session on a revision. I hope it is useful for you. Follow the tips while you're writing for your examinations. Okay, children? So bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye. And all the best for your examinations. Please do revise your examinations well. And I wish you all a very best. Okay, please do your examinations well. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye.